Hi, welcome back to our channel. On this video, I will be teaching you how to do a front walkover. So the first thing you need to know is what a front walkover is. Here's an example. There are many drills to learn a front walkover. One of them, to help with the last part, is going from a bridge and rocking to stand up. Once you've got that, you can try a handstand to bridge and then try to stand up. Once you've been working on those drills, you could try front limber. This is what it looks like. After you've perfected all those drills, you can add it together. You may want someone to spot you. So if you don't feel comfortable just going for it straight away, you could get someone to support you, just like I said. So when you're doing this, you want to grab the closest arm like this, which will help them get over on the back to support them so they don't fall on the ground. Here's an example. One of the most important things is to have fun when learning this. Do check out our other fun tutorials and challenges. Like and subscribe. Bye!